Hey, Lisa Treadwell here with Indy Real Estate Experts. My team and I are so excited to kick off the 2025 Indy Senior Living Series event with you. Our next event, our first event of 2025, is February 13th at Northside Events and Social Club. You might also know this location as the Knights of Columbus, the old Knights of Columbus. This is on 71st and Keystone. The actual physical address is 2100 East 71st Street in Indianapolis. If you're familiar with Sullivan's Hardware, it's on the opposite corner as Sullivan's. Our topic for February is aging in place and downsizing. We're going to have some wonderful guests. And if you're interested, please RSVP so that we know you're coming. And here's how you do that. You are going to go to downsizingindy.com/events. And from there, our website is going to pop up. You'll see the 2025 list of events there. Go ahead and click the register for events here. Fill in your name, email address, phone number, and let us know which event or events that you wish to attend. You'll see the topics there along with the dates. So you can select one or two or all of them, whatever you feel like attending and whatever your calendar can fit. And then tell us who you're bringing with you. We hope that you'll bring guests with you. Give us their name so we can greet them in person. And then you're going to get this message. If you don't get all the details from that message, no worries. You're also going to get an email with all of those details. Again, our February event is February 13th from 10 to 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. FYI, we're not going to be recording these events anymore, so you have to attend in person to get the information. We will provide coffees and pastry thanks to our wonderful sponsors, and we can't wait to see you there.